So I think we can all agree that, XRP price has been kind of rough lately. It's been choppy waters. We've been up and down, but not really making much headway one way or the other, not really joining in this nice pump in the market until this morning. And really, this all has to do with, I believe, us being in this final countdown towards this specific date. But yet activity is beginning to pick up. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell. Again, it's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So XRP price actually shot out of a cannon this morning, shot up almost 5%, looking very good. Again, my indicator flashed some sell zone opportunities. Again, if you guys are looking at just buying and selling or just looking for good opportunities to either take some profit or accumulate, definitely check out my indicator. You guys can see that from this buy zone here, this is actually a 6.65% move. So there's a link in the description below. Feel free to check that out. But what we're in this final countdown for is this SEC appeal. Now, what's interesting is that all signs right now are pointing towards an appeal, that we are now less than 10 days away. October 7th is the date that their deadline for an appeal. And I'm hoping that they just decide to go on vacation and forget about this appeal entirely. But right now, the general consensus is that they do plan on appealing, which is why, although BTC has been making some headway and it's working its way up to the upside, XRP has not really joined in the fun. It kind of sucks. It is what it is. We've dealt with a lot of ebbs and flows in terms of the supply as well. In fact, whales have been very active, depositing to exchanges, removing from exchanges. We're not making one way or the other. We're following the waves in the market, right? And what I will say is that at least over the last 24 hours, there was some significant withdrawals, which probably helped facilitate this move here in terms of XRP. That's probably what allowed us to escape just a little bit. Now, I will say this, honestly, I am okay being basically dead center in this range of 54 cents to 68 cents, because we know that the big adoption burst in the market is coming. That's not even up for discussion. We know that this big wave of adoption is going to hit the market. We know that there's new capital, new users that are going to be entering the space. And right now, nothing that the SEC is doing, nothing that that XRP is doing is really stopping us from making these moves. Okay. If we were facing significant retracement, if we were dealing with a bunch of whale dumping that pushed us below these ranges again, kind of like we experienced back here, maybe I'd have some questions, but the overall sentiment in the market is shifting. All right. Now, although we may still be waiting for some more positive news, it doesn't mean that XRP can't make this move along with the rest of crypto, right? And really, this appeal will probably push things down the road a little bit, just kind of kicking the can down the road. While we might not be out of the scope completely, what you need to remember is that appeals are very hard to win. Okay. It's like a 20% likelihood of actually winning an appeal. And this judgment has been consistent. We're seeing this consistent ruling on crypto itself throughout other court cases as well. So this is basically a big win, and it's kind of a non-issue, and it's kind of a waste of taxpayer money, frankly. And actually, I believe that's what John Deaton said as well. But you guys get the point. We're getting towards much better times in the market. And really, when this thing does open up, when you start to see, again, further pushes for US partnerships, when you start to see bigger, broader use of XRP in general, when we have, excuse me, when we have the sidechain come, it sounds like stable RLUSD, I believe that's what it is coming very well, or coming quickly as well. I mean, there's going to be no stopping this movement that takes place. Okay. I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts on this. Do you think this appeal happens? Do you think right now it's kind of smoke and mirrors until the door opens up wide? Appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Catch you in the next one. Take care.